What's up, guys? Good morning. Let's talk a little Bitcoin. All right. So right now, down 1.2% on the day, guys. We're going to get into the chart in a minute. But 94,800, just continuing to ping pong. Market in general, a lot of altcoins are starting to pop off. Swift, XEN, Pith, all looking very, very healthy. Taraxa's pumping again. Spell, FET, LCX, very nice. Render. And we still have some DCA opportunities out there too, guys. If you're looking to stuff your bag some more, you still have some time to do that. So don't miss out on that, guys. You're running out of time. Parabolic part of the altcoin season is definitely around the corner. Let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart and see what's happening. So as you can see, guys, again, we've caught support right here, putting in a higher low. We're sitting right on resistance or support, right on support in this little golden pocket I put here. Now, I was saying yesterday, I think that what we're going to do, it might not be today, right? But I think that we're going to retest this level of support one more time before heading back up to test these levels around $98,000, right? There's a massive sell wall up at about $98,600. Big sell wall, guys. It's going to take the bulls a little bit to break through. It's not going to be easy to do, but they can do it. The only question is, can they do it before the end of the year? A lot of people think that they can. I personally think that it's going to be borderline, right? I wouldn't be shocked if they did. I wouldn't be shocked if they didn't, to be honest with you. There's still a lot of time left in this bull run. So, for me, I mean, I don't think the top is until somewhere between the middle of September and the middle of October of next year. But I do think we'll also have about a 40% correction sometime between April, May, June as well. So we may get a little toppy near March, a little bit of a 40% pullback or something like that before taking back off in the fall. That's kind of how I see next year playing out. So for now, we got time, guys. We got time. Let's put in this higher low. Let's build up a nice solid level of support, and then let's make another run at this level. Eventually, we will get through the 100K level, guys. It's just a matter of being patient. All right, so what else do we have on the docket, guys? So we have Bitcoin Magazine reports $793 billion. Bernstein predicts that MicroStrategy will own 4% of the total Bitcoin by 2033. That's crazy. That 4%, that's crazy, guys, right? That's just 1% lower than what the U.S. government and Donald Trump wants to own for the reserved for the Treasury, right? That's absolutely nuts. Let's get into a little word from Michael Saylor before we continue on here. He says, soon every billionaire will buy $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Listen up.
But yeah, because once you get Bitcoin and it clicks in your mind, your immediate reaction is, oh, I got to hurry and buy as much as I can because someone else is going to go take all my Bitcoin away from me. So like in 2020, when I started buying Bitcoin, I was thinking, oh no, I got to do this in a hurry because someone's going to figure it out and the price is going to 10x. And I better get it before it 10x's. So, I mean, that's a natural reaction when it finally clicks in your head because you're thinking, why wouldn't every billionaire in the world go and buy $1 billion of Bitcoin, smash buy it overnight, and just to make $1 billion? Because why wouldn't they just want to make the $1 billion, or $5 billion or $10 billion or any amount of money? I mean, Bitcoin, it feels like in the early days the infinite money glitch, right? But
it does actually feel like the infinite money glitch, probably especially if you have that kind of money already. If you can put $1 billion in and you can 2x it. Hey, Metaplanet Bitcoin investment continues to boost with $62 million raised. So $62 million more Metaplanet Bitcoin investment. Metaplanet explained that the funds will be raised through its 12th series of moving strike stock acquisition rights. The rights to be allocated to Evo Fund by way of a third party allotment shall be offered to it between 17th of December and the 16th of June. The company will issue a total of 29,000 units, with each unit granting Evo Fund the right to purchase 100 common shares. Each subscription right will be sold at 614 yen for a total of 17.8 million yen. If Evo Fund subscribes to all the offered units, it will acquire 2.9 million common shares with an exercise price cap of 1,500 per yen share. This would allow Metaplanet to raise over 9.5 billion yen, or approximately $62 million. The transaction is yet to be approved under the Financial Instruments and Exchange Acts of Japan. The company's chief executive, Simon Jurovich, has compared the Metaplanet Bitcoin investment strategy to that of MicroStrategy, which is considered the biggest corporate holder of Bitcoin. The stock surge prolongs the company's amazing one-year rally, placing it among the biggest publicly traded companies in Japan. In the past month, Metaplanet stock has outshone Bitcoin itself with a gain of more than 100%. Since the company went all in on its Bitcoin treasury in May, Metaplanet has added 1,142 Bitcoin at approximately $75.3 million. With such a Metaplanet Bitcoin investment, the company emerged as one of the major Bitcoin holders in Asia, number 18 among publicly listed companies worldwide. Guys, listen, what we do over on our Patreon is, I know there's not a link in the thing for our Patreon. We have another channel that's much, much bigger than this one. Is we're helping our Patreon members become whole coiners for the next bear market, right? Now, this is very important because the supply and demand crunch for Bitcoin is going to be very, very real. And while you may want altcoins more than Bitcoin, holding one full Bitcoin should be a goal for everyone, in my opinion, because it is a sure shot, in my opinion, to becoming at least a millionaire, right? Because I believe that in the next 2 cycles, Bitcoin has the potential to reach $1 million per coin, especially with all of this happening. We have Metaplanet. We have MicroStrategy continuing to accumulate. We have the U.S. government wants to hold 1 million, right? We're starting to see, we saw Pennsylvania and Texas announce they want their own reserve, Bitcoin reserve, right? There was I covered a story the other day. There's 3 more states in December that are going to announce that they also want their own reserve. I'm pretty sure every state, for the most part, all the red ones anyway, are going to want a Bitcoin reserve, right? Canada, Vancouver, the mayor of Vancouver just announced they want their own Bitcoin reserve, right? You have countries, you have states, you have these massive corporations. Michael Saylor is meeting with Microsoft before December 9th to explain to them why they should have, to their shareholders, why they should have Bitcoin on their balance sheets, right? Now, if I'm a shareholder of Microsoft and I'm watching MicroStrategy's market cap go from $1 billion to over $100 billion from 2019 to 2025, are you kidding me right now? Yes, I'm going to be voting for Microsoft to be putting Bitcoin on their balance sheets. It's a no-brainer, right? It is a no-brainer. And the other thing is that there was, at the beginning of the year in January, there was about 400,000 Bitcoin available OTC, okay? Now there is about 100,000 left OTC because of the likes of BlackRock and Fidelity and MicroStrategy and everyone buying it up over the OTC desk, right? Now, what do you think happens when there is no more Bitcoin to be purchased OTC? Where do you think that these big institutions and ETF issuers and all this fun stuff, where do you think they have to buy it from? The countries. Where do you think they have to buy it from? They have to buy it from the same places that you and I buy it from, exchanges. And what happens when they purchase large amounts of Bitcoin at spot prices as opposed to OTC prices? The price skyrockets. Yes, you are absolutely right. So this is going to become definitely an arms race to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible, because the more you buy, the higher the price goes. That's what's going to happen, right? So everyone's going to want to buy it as fast as possible so that the prices aren't too high for them to continue purchasing it, right? It's this. Do you get what I'm saying here? It's the chicken and the egg, right? I have to buy it now, or the price is going to go up. If I buy it now, I'm going to cause the price to go up. So, but if I don't buy it now and cause the price to go up, other companies and countries are going to continue buying it to make the price go up, and then I'll have to buy it at a higher level. And when I buy it, then the price will continue to go up. You see what I'm saying? It's a snowball effect, guys. It's a snowball effect. So making sure that everyone over on our Patreon owns at least one full Bitcoin as a baseline for our portfolios is a necessity. That's what we're doing. If you're interested in that kind of thing, guys, if you need hand holding through the altcoin season, if you need help figuring out an exit strategy or profit taking, just let me know in the comments. We'll get you straightened up. We'll get you over to the Patreon. I can't put a link in the description because I just started this. This is a new channel. I have a much bigger channel that I also run. And yeah, so if you want to be a part of that, guys, definitely let me know in the comments down below. We'll get you set up. But for now, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Hoping to get this channel built up, guys. So definitely do me a favor. Again, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.